How to select English on Duolingo. This tutorial shows you how to switch your learning language to English on the app. First, open Duolingo on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, tap on the flag icon or the course name showing at the top of your profile. This represents the language you're currently learning. Right here, you'll be taken to a screen showing all the courses you're currently enrolled in. Next up, look through the list and check if English is already there. If it is, simply tap on it to switch to it as your active course. Moving on, if English isn't on your list, tap on Add a New Course at the bottom of the screen. From here, you'll see a full list of available languages. Scroll through or use the search bar to find English. After that, tap on English to select it, and Duolingo will ask you what your native language is so it can set up the course correctly for you. Following this, select your native language from the list and tap on the option to start learning English. Finally, Duolingo will switch over to the English course and take you straight to the beginning. You're all set to start learning right away. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.